Hey, Tom Hobbs, the man and a hat here in New Zealand, and I'm hanging out with Kayleen. We met the first day at this conference. Her eyes were bright and smiling, just somebody you wanted to be around. And then she came into the workshop, and her eyes were bigger, bright and smiling. Kayleen, what was your experience?
Oh, it was awesome. I learned a couple of really interesting things from Tom. He taught, this is a Toastmasters conference, and one of the big things he taught me was about connecting emotionally with your audience, and that I think was a pretty powerful thing. The other thing that he taught me was that it takes less than 3 minutes to have such a powerful impact on another person. I'm really grateful for learning those things from Tom. I'm relatively new to Toastmasters, so I'm hoping that when I have to do that, connecting with your audience is going to be, he's given me a really good step up into learning these skills. Thank you, Tom. And he's an amazing guy. If you get an opportunity to go and listen to him, really go for it. And and he's interested, he's interesting, and take that opportunity to get an opportunity to come and speak with him, or have him come and speak to you.
Awesome. You never know what somebody's going to say. It's really exciting. It's so easy to be in front of the room when you have people excited and their eyes are open and wanting to be there, and you exemplified that. It was marvelous, marvelous. So thank you very much. It's Tom Hobbs, the man in a hat in New Zealand, having fun. Kayleen, yes?
Yay!
You should have been here. You should have been here.
You should have been here.